Online surveys offer an effortless method to earn extra cash and expedite your financial goals. The top legitimate survey sites, such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost, each boast unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider their reputation, the number of surveys available, and their payout methods. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Employ best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be cautious of warning signs that might indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and usually only take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your input and pay for your participation to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by taking online surveys.